Intro. In a chaotic world filled with outside opinions, finding inner peace can be a challenge. Let's explore how to silence the noise and cultivate tranquility within. Main content. First, set personal boundaries. Distinguish between helpful guidance and uninvited criticism. Engage in mindfulness practices like meditation to tune into your thoughts and emotions. Prioritize self-reflection, allowing your inner voice to guide decisions rather than succumbing to external pressures. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who respect your journey. Reading and journaling can also provide clarity, acting as instruments to channel your inner wisdom. Conclusion. By integrating these practices into daily life, you'll craft a serene sanctuary, undisturbed by the clamor of external voices. Embrace this journey to uncover lasting inner peace.